Hi everybody, it's lager brewing season still, so today I'm making dark lager, which is something I've made once before and really liked, came out well, so yep. Oh, and once again I've set everything up the night before, so I just have to get up a little bit early and turn it on. Okay, here we go, got the malts here, got my grains. So I have 62% Pilsner malt, 26% Munich 2, 6.5% Caramalt, and 5.5% chocolate malt. Yeah, so this is similar to the Brewdog Zeitgeist that I brewed once before. I'm using Munich. It's one more. I think the last one used Munich 1. This is Munich 2, so it's one more. And I'm using pale chocolate instead of dark chocolate. So those are the differences off the top of my head. I can't remember exactly. But anyway, that has been mashing for an hour, so the bag comes out now. There we go. Bag goes down. And then clip goes on, and then heat goes on, and then Max drops his bow and he wants a pat, so he's a good doggy. You're a good boy, Max. Okay, spargy, sparge. Sparge, if you don't know, just means tip hot water through it. But the idea is to do it kind of gently and randomly so that it doesn't make like a channel through the grains, so and all go through the same spot. Okay, now waiting for it to come up to temperature. That's a boil. We're using, what is that, Cascade hops today. 50 grams going in here. That will get me 32 IBUs. 32 IBU. And that goes for 1 hour. In it goes. So 1 hour and 1 hour. Oh, 15 minutes to go. There's the well flock. There's some yeast nutrient. And Max has figured out that if he drops the ball by my feet, I'll throw it for him. Oh, this is new. Yeah, I'm going to try cube hopping today. So I've figured out that actually washing out the bag in the washing machine actually works really well. Turn it inside out and put it through. If you can't, I've been doing that with my grain bags and my hot bags lately. If I can't get the last little bits that are stuck in them out, they get to run through the. I run it on a nothing cycle first, and then it goes through just a rinse and spin. Anyway, these are going to be my cube hops. So Cascade again, and I'm going with about 1.5 grams a litre, which is 40 grams in 27 litres, so that goes into the cube, and that would have been well pulled for about 15 minutes, so now I'm just getting my samples out, and it's not quite as dark as I was hoping it would be, but it's not certainly not Pilsner. And filling up the cube, clouds going past, and the light's changing, and it's very cold today actually. So last bit's coming out, and whoop, a little bit of spillage. That's good. That means I've got lots of beer. No need to squeeze barely at all. So that's nice and tight. And this is going up into the shed. That'll cool down over a couple of nights. So that goes up there. And bye-bye. I'll see you in a few days. See you later. Okay. So here we are. A couple of days later. It's yeast time. This yeast is yeast. And I'm using 2 packets because it's a lager and I'm not rehydrating it, so I'm just using 2 packets instead. So time to lift this beast up and into the thing it goes, straining to aerate and also keep any hops out, and it stopped. Oh, that's right, almost forgot that I had the hop bag in here. So gently pull it out, gentle, pop, splash all over my feet. Oh well, never mind. And stirring to oxygenate again. In goes the yeast, whose name I've forgotten, but probably put up as a joke before. And there's the lid goes on, almost done. And up you go. That's a heavy bugger, and got the old heat belt to go on. There it is, and the temperature probe. So that's going to ferment at 15 degrees, maybe 12 for the first week. Then I'll slowly bring the temperature up to around 20 over another couple of weeks. Normally give my lagers 3 weeks. And yeah, Tour de France is on. So there we go. There's the thumbs. There's the what's it, and that's my other lager that I did the other week. The lager. And yeah, I'm having a good time. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. And dark lager, yay!